Hey, thanks for joining me, folks. This is another segment of the Real Estate Expert.Online. So today's topic is real estate tips. Have you ever been dictated by a buyer, potential buyer, wanting you to drive them around all over town, showing them properties that they may not even be able to afford? Hey, don't be a don't be ashamed of yourself. It happens to the best of them. Starting out in real estate, you just don't know any better. You get dictated by these buyers saying, "Hey, show me this property, show me that property." The key thing that you want to do is control your business. That's right. You're in the business to help people get what they want when it comes to real estate. The first thing is to not only educate yourself, but educate the buyer and control the situation. So you don't find yourself wheeling them all over town looking at properties. And that's what we call the real estate business. I've seen it happen so many times. It's kind of hilarious, to be honest with you. Just there's so many agents out there that are becoming a dying breed. They haven't educated themselves to figure out how they can better themselves and better their business and create value for other people. Until you're able to create value for other people, you're going to be a dying breed. Do you know that 80% of the business is done by 20% of the active real estate agents across the country? I know, it's kind of shocking, isn't it? So the key thing is here, folks, is get your potential buyers pre-qualified. Make sure that they can actually obtain a loan before you take them out showing properties. In my business, I used to do that in real estate, and it just is so much smarter to do, and the benefits are so rewarding. Nowadays, with my technology, I don't show anybody anything. Everything's done online for me. But that's another story for another day, folks. But love to get you chimed in. Comment down below. Love to connect with real estate agents and help them with their struggles. We are able to offer close to fair market value for properties regardless of their condition. So if you are an agent and you have a listing that you cannot move, please contact me down below. My contact is below. We buy and sell in all 50 states. So we'd love to help you out of a situation as well as the sellers. And the beautiful part is you still get paid a commission. Bye for now, and thanks for checking me out. Make it a great day, folks.